like this. You know we are far apart. Don't cry, my friend. Oh yeah. Our wars and way of life are so different. But I wonder how our minds are so close. And just decided to write a letter to you, and we'll arrive after. Sometime, one day, I wonder if my love will reach you. Not a hug, but a message full of love for you. Do your best, my friend. Just wanna tell this to you. I will always stand by you. Do your best, my friend. Oh, our words and way of life are so different. But I wonder how our minds are so close.